Unlock the secrets of the real estate market by learning how to extract valuable property data directly from Zillow using Python. Before diving in, ensure you have Python installed, along with the requests library for sending HTTP requests and beautiful soup for parsing HTML content. Your first step is identifying the specific Zillow URL containing the data you wish to scrape, perhaps a search for a particular city or property type. Next, you'll send an HTTP GET request to this URL, effectively asking Zillow's server for the web page's content, which it sends back as HTML. Once you receive the HTML, beautiful soup comes into play, transforming this raw text into a navigable, Python-friendly object, making it easy to search. Now, the crucial part: using your browser's developer tools, meticulously inspect the web page to locate the HTML elements containing the exact data points you need, like property prices or addresses. With Beautiful Soup's powerful selection methods, you can precisely target these identified elements and extract their text content, isolating just the information you desire. For comprehensive data, you'll often need to handle pagination by finding the links to subsequent result pages and repeating the scraping process for each one. Finally, collect all the extracted data and consider saving it into a structured format like a CSV file or a database for later analysis and insights. Mastering these steps empowers you to gather valuable real estate market intelligence, turning raw web data into actionable insights for your projects.